Good morning, South Africans. This is Norma of SA to isiXhosa Publishers. We are still in Career Guide. There are more than 50 careers, but I'm going to give you few of them. Number 1, chef. Career overview. What do I do for a living? A chef plans, organizes, and executes the preparation, cooking, finishing of food in hotels, restaurants, catering establishments. What is the minimum entry level? NQF Level 2 with mathematical literacy. Articulation. There is horizontal and vertical. What can I become? Where can I work? Where can I enroll? We will write down the notes for you. Thanks very much. See you again. Bye-bye. Don't forget to share and subscribe to get more.